So I've been looking for a quick and easy way to paint these wheels because they actually run down so fast. It's really hard to tape off and do all the work that you have to do to paint these wheels when they only last maybe 4 or 5 runs on hardcore driving. So I found these on Thingiverse, as you can see here. You can download the file and there is a remix on there, so I'll put the links for both of them in the description below. Since the Felony rears are wider than the fronts, then you do need 2 different ones. So I printed these up. Just go ahead and try it out. So what this does is basically it makes an entire mass. So the wheel just slides in. Once the wheel slides in, it's supposed to pretty much cover most of the wheel. Now I do have some road rash on this one, so I do expect a little bit of paint to get onto the rubber, which is okay, no big deal. But it's supposed to give you a nice, basically, finish. So you can just put these on, spray paint them, you can pop your wheel out, and you can just keep repeating the process. So this should make it a lot easier. So as you can see, I've already rolled this one a little bit too hard, but I have more tread on this one than I do my other wheel. So I'm gonna still paint it. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get some white on the rubber on this one just because it's not gonna get a nice seal, but that's okay. So the process is pretty easy. You can just kind of lightly sand it and then you can put this over it. I printed it blue. It's just I have a lot of extra blue filament, so this was easy to print for me. And then you can just spray it. Now the rear tire, on the other hand, these are brand new. I ordered these a while back. They're kind of hard to find now apparently, but it's a bigger overall wheel. So this is going to fit over it as well. It's just going to slide on top, and this one fits perfectly. Like it's right at the edge of that plastic, so you're going to get a nice coverage. And the good thing is, if you download the file for the rear, it actually comes with a different attachment. If you want to paint the lip a different color or something like that, then you do have that option. But I want to paint the whole wheel white because I'm going for the unicorn look on my car, if you haven't already seen the video. Gonna let that coat dry for a little bit and then we'll come and repaint and keep repainting. For paint, I don't think it really matters what you go with. I just went with these because these are for actual real wheels, so I figured if it's good enough for that application, it should be good for an RC application. Since there's really not a whole lot of flex in the wheels themselves, this should work pretty fine. But you can try regular Lexan or polycarbonate paint, probably Krylon, which bonds to plastic and stuff like that. That might be a pretty good option as well. But anyways, that's the set right now. I'm gonna go ahead and let them dry and then we'll put them on the unicorn.